Hey, how wonderful will it be if network marketing companies allow us to run paid advertisement in the social media? Now, even we can run and allow to run paid ads on the social media. However, did you know that Meta or Facebook company and even TikTok have much heavy moderations as compared to other industry. That means they are even more strict than when you try to run paid ads, right? In regards to network marketing business. And when you are not careful, when you attempt it, it's very easy to get your account being banned by Meta or even TikTok. However, the thing is that in the network marketing business, right? If you are still using the old school one-on-one offline manual way to find potential customers or even to recruit new business partners, right? This process is too slow and getting too competitive. And the old methods of just organically posting like crazy, having burnout on the social media with your network marketing content in terms of business opportunities or the products, right? It's not working very well, isn't it? And potentially, paid ads can be a very good solution for us. So what should we do then? We have this problem, right, on the network marketing company side. And now on the social media channel side, we also face with this kind of heavy restrictions. So what should we do? So now what I've learned over the years since 2020 in running paid advertising with a network marketing business opportunities, right? The thing is, we do not, right, run our ads in our ads content. We do not promote our network marketing business opportunities or even their products. We run our ads using this thing called the lead magnet, and the lead magnet does not belong to the network marketing company. It's solely owned by us. It is like our own product, and it has proven to be very successful. So how do you go about in creating that lead magnet, right? So I have put that in the caption below, a long description in my caption about how do we go about doing that. So check out my caption below. And if you want to skip this and straight jump in to take a peek at the insider strategy in regards to running paid ads for network marketers, right? Go and grab my playbook. Comment in the comment box below this video, playbook, and I'll connect with you. In this playbook, I have 13 chapters of 57 pages of strategies and tactics, plus these actionable steps in each chapter to help you to set up your own digital business systems in the context of your network marketing business. And you can leverage on that in combination with your paid ads, right? To achieve a more automated, more efficient, and more fast-paced ways in terms of reaching out to your potential customers or even your potential business partners to join you in your network marketing business opportunities. So comment below now if you want that insider proven strategy